Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 98. Venus in 10th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. Quickly recall the characteristics of 10th house. 10th house of a birth chart is known as Karma Bhav. It is about our actions and duties. It is about our performance while dealing with people other than family. 10th house is 7th from 4th house. 4th house of your birth chart is about your life at home. It is your comfort zone, and 10th house is the place away from home and family where you have to deal with unknown people. It is like a battlefield where you have to show your skills and talent, and many times have to face unpredictable situations. 10th house is about your professional life, career, position, status, authority, reputation you earn while dealing with people at professional level or social level. 10th house is also about the social life of the person. In Vedic astrology, Venus is a naturally benefic planet. Venus is the significator of love, passion, beauty, attraction, compassion, marriage, fashion, style, fine clothing, silk, music and art, dance, poetry, fine arts, artistic skills, jewelry, diamonds, precious stones, hotels, big lavish properties, luxury cars, flowers, fruits, fruit-bearing trees, perfumes, items of luxury, software. Venus is the significator of wife for males. In Vedic astrology, Venus is a naturally benefic planet, and presence of naturally benefic Venus in 10th house from ascendant blesses the person with Amla Yoga, indicating person is blessed with good professional and social life. Person leads a life full of luxuries. Person with Venus in 10th house of the birth chart will have attractive and pleasing personality, is kind-hearted, compassionate, has good social skills, talks softly, has a friendly nature, person is religious and systematic, and is famous and respected figure in society as well as in professional life. Venus makes the person compassionate. These people enjoy helping others. They feel happy and satisfied by making others happy. They use their position and authority for the benefit of others. They want to rise in power and position, not only to fulfill their ambitions but also to help others. With Venus in 10th house, person may be a fashion designer, jewelry designer, musician, dancer, poet, actor, singer, music composer or teacher, or choreographer, director, beautician, hairstylist, event planner, florist, maybe in export-import of fruits, dry fruits, owner of orchards, estates. Person may be in hospitality industry, IT industry or fashion industry or medical field, etc. Person may be a businessman, may be the owner of hotels, restaurants or jewelry stores or boutiques, may deal in cosmetics, and many more such items. Person with Venus in 10th house generally deals in items of luxury. They target classes, not masses. Venus is the significator of partner and wife for males. If in the birth chart of a male, Venus is placed in 10th house, his wife may be in profession related to Venus, or she may be supporting him in his business or job. She will play an active role by helping him achieve career goals. He may also get support of female employees at workplace to rise in profession and achieve his targets. Person may be in business or job dealing in ladies' products. He may meet his future wife or partner at workplace or in some work-related meeting or conference. Because of their pleasing personality and helping nature, these people have good image at workplace and also in society. They earn respect and fame in professional and social circle. 10th house is also seen for spiritual and religious deeds. Person may be a philanthropist, may work for some charitable institute or organization, may be involved in social work. Putting smile on the face of others give them immense satisfaction. 10th house is also seen for the role of father in professional life of the person. A well-placed Venus in 10th house indicates person has cordial relations with father, and father plays important and constructive role in shaping the professional life of the person. Father himself will be in profession related to Venus. From 10th house, Venus aspects 4th house, Sukh Bhav or Matri Bhav, indicating person has access to all worldly comforts and pleasures and has a good family life. Venus gives a happy, comfortable life full of luxuries. 10th house is also seen for mother. Personality of the mother is also influenced by Venus. She is loving, generous, soft-spoken and supportive. She has attractive personality and helping nature. Person has good relations with mother. If 10th house, 10th lord and Venus are under positive influence in 10th house, person will deal in luxury items with target customers as affluent high income people. Friends or relatives and family members will play active role in making the person successful. If Venus is in Swarashi, Mool Trikon or exalted in 10th house, person will be highly successful, popular, respected figure and will lead a luxurious life. If 10th house or 10th lord are under the influence of malefics, person will have a tough professional life. Negative influence on Venus indicates person will achieve success through hard work, but will not be able to enjoy his/her wealth and property, etc. Later on, his or her family members and relatives, etc., will use this wealth for their joy and comfort. If Venus is debilitated in 10th house, one cannot expect good results related to 10th house and Venus. Person may not have a good career or may depend on wife or partner for finances. May have a negative personality, authoritative nature, devoid of compassion. These people misuse their position for personal gains. They even try to harm others for personal gains and happiness. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology classes, session 99.